Awesome. 3, 2, 1. Hey, I'm Robbie, and I am a designer craftsman from right here in Atlanta, Georgia. And we are at the lovely and illustrious Highland Woodworking. Thank you guys so much for all that you do for the woodworking community here in Atlanta. I'm so excited to be working here today because if you've been staying up to date with the latest sharpening trends going on in today's world, there is a good chance that you have heard of Shapton. Whether you're just starting out or you're trying to replace one of your well-used stones, Shapton is the way to go. These stones have been designed from the ground up to save you time. Every stone comes with a color-matched base and protective case that cuts down on both setup time and mess. The biggest time-saving feature is how these stones interact with water. After the initial 5-minute soak, you never have to submerge these again. You can just spritz them as you go, sharpen, boom, you're back to work. Kuromaku stones are made with very densely packed, very evenly distributed ceramic abrasive particles. They are precisely graded to each stone's grit. So that means you're gonna have less time sharpening and less time maintenance-wise as it comes to the stones. Now, if your heart is set on only getting one of these, Shapton definitely recommends getting the blue medium 1500 grit stone. This is going to be good for kitchen knives, gardening tools, but it might not be enough for your average woodworker. So Shapton also recommends getting the orange 1000 grit and the 5000 wine. Yeah, but also for that nice polish, that mirror shine, we're gonna go with that melon fine, okay? For the mirror shine, we're gonna get the melon fine. That's 8000. So between those three, that will get you covered with most, and you can build your collection around that. Shapton manufactures Kuromaku stones in a wide range of grits. It goes down as coarse as the 120 and goes all the way up successively through the grits I've already shown you up to the 30,000 grit purple stone, okay? You'll be sharpening air with this thing, all right? It's crazy. Yeah, it's shockingly fine. Of course, just as surely though, as your tools will dull, your stones inevitably will also dull as well. Now, the binding agents in these are incredibly strong, and it will take you a long time to get there. However, when that time inevitably comes, Shapton has made maintaining your stones as easy as sharpening with them. So this is the Shapton Naoru cast iron lapping plate. All it takes to operate this is going to be some water and these lapping powders, okay? Each one of these is going to correspond to a range of grits that match your stones. So we have the coarse, that's going to be used for anything 300 or below. Then we've got the medium. Medium is going to be used anything from 500 up to 3000. Then we've got the fine. Fine is going to be used on anything ranging from 4,000 and above, okay? But here's the thing. If fancy powders and cast iron lapping plates aren't your thing, Shapton also offers a diamond lapping plate. Yes, that can be used with just water alone. Just be aware that the diamond lapping plate only resurfaces stones above 500 grit, okay? The last little trick in my bag I got for you, okay? This is the Shapton lapping disc. The Shapton lapping disc. Yes, say that 5 times fast, okay? So this is going to be used to clean off any of the swarth, on your stones, okay? So as they get clogged, as the grits get clogged, right, the abrasives, we're gonna use this to clean those off. This is not used to flatten those. You can use this. You can use, again, the Naoru, right? The Diamondback. But do not use this to try to flatten those, okay? All right, guys. Well, look, we all know you get 10 woodworkers in a room, they're all going to have a variety of answers. But as I just displayed here, between the stones and the options that you have here, guys, the answer is pretty clear cut because Shapton is a cut above the rest. I can keep these going, but I won't. I won't do that to you. Anyway, that is it. That's all we got here for you today. Make sure to stop by Highland Woodworking if you're in the Atlanta area. See ya.